I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lady J 3962 out here in Loudoun County. Today we're doing a road trip, me and my God. So come along with me and enjoy the ride. The homes. Check out the scenery. We are in the Great Falls area out here at Fairfax County, Northern Virginia. Check out the homes, guys. Look at the areas. We're taking a drive-by today. That's where some of the money people out here, that's where they reside. Out here at Great Falls. Look guys, we got some horse here. Look at that. I'm venturing out today, you guys. So venture with me today. We got some horses out here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yes, I'm venturing out here, you guys. I'm venturing out. Yes. So come along with me as we venture today. Lady.J 3962. We're out here today at Great Falls, Fairfax County, Northern Virginia.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, you guys, we're here at Riverbend Park out here. Let's see what this park is all about. They have a little welcome entrance here. They say welcome. And right here, say Riverbend Forest. Ooh, they say volunteer needed here. You guys want a job? Come on. Let's walk a little and see what's out here. What do they got over here? They got a little playground for the children or yourself. See, they have a barn you can sit around when it's cold. You come out here, you throw a fire inside of here. They got the benches. They got some little places you could chill with your children. See, little houses right there. So let's go walk around a little and check out the park. Let's venture a little, see what's out here. Got my trees. Let me go give a hug to the trees. It's a big park. You could camp out, do a little stuff around here. Hello, tree. See down there? There's a trail you could walk down there. I see some ladies down there. See, all the leaves are falling from the trees. Look up there. All you see is branches, no tree, no leaves, all branches. See, there's a trail you could walk down there. See right down there, the ladies and the dogs. All right, let's go find another spot and see what's around this park. So come along with me as we venture today out here at Riverbend Park, out here in Great Falls, Fairfax County. Walking down some steps here. See, they have a wooden place you could get free wood. If you have a fireplace in your home that use wood, they have a place you could just pick it up. They don't have no sign, so I guess it's free. So let's walk down. See a lot of leaves. Look, leaves. Got new sneakers today. Not new, but I have my other sneakers until I replace my New Balance sneakers. That's another New Balance I have. I just love New Balance sneakers. For some reason, I've been using it since I used to do tracks and stuff like that in New York. I mean, in New Jersey. Since I used to do a lot of running up the hills, and it always been like a sneakers I can't get away from. I love it. I love New Balance sneakers. They're comfy for me. And the price are not that expensive. Sometimes I go to the store, I see those expensive sneakers, and I'm saying to myself, are they really that good? I'm going to try one day, but I'm going to put it in the budget. I'm not going over the budget. See, they got a lot of wooded area. Let's take a little walk in the trail area. Let's see what it's all about. It's so beautiful today, guys. Oh, blessings and blessings and blessings to all my people out there. This is Lady J, Lady.J3962 out here in Loudoun County, Northern Virginia. And today we're on an adventure, a little driving and a little stop at the park here at RIVERBEND Park out here in Great Falls, Fairfax County. We just walk in the park today, walking on the trail and enjoying the moments. God blessings to each and every one of you out there. Guidance and protection always. You know how it goes. May you watch over you and your family in every area of your life. May He give you blessings and favor. We give thanks. So there's a trail I'm walking down here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video out here in nature, because I'm enjoying nature. I'm enjoying nature. I'm going to bring a lot of nature to you. I'm going to find them and I'm going to drive out. You know I love driving, so it's no problem getting from point A to point B as long as the tires, the engine is good. We have a dead tree here. Dead tree. See? It's rotting. As long as I got gas in the car, that's right. The finance looking a little, so in case emergency money, I'm going to drive out. I'm going to bring it in because I enjoy doing the videos. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment if you guys enjoy the videos. Let me know. Give me a little motivation there. Motivation. I see a few of you guys come in. Daisy out there. We have Christine Dow, D-A-W. Guys, go check out her channel. We have Blessed Journey. Very supportive lady. Christine Dow, too. Very supportive. Check their channel out. They give good food over there. Go get some dinner or some lunch. We have Alex H, 2117 out there in Maryland. She's walking out there. Check out the views and the scenery. Plus, she's very creative. So check out her channel. I want to send a shout out to my GT people out there in Guyana. Thank you for giving me that 4,000 on those videos. All my peoples out there in GT, Guyana to the world. Thanks. Thank you guys for helping me out. Special favor and respect to all my subscribers around the world. Supporters, give thanks. God blessings always. Near or far, in everything you do, may you be prosperous, okay? All the supporters and subscribers who are on this channel, much respect. I appreciate it. I guess when it's rain, It's called a ravine or a gully. Some people say gully, some people say ravine. You think I could cross over there? I remember when I was young, we used to jump over there. In the Caribbean, we used to have places like this. There's a bridge over here. We used to have places like this. See? Let me do my 360. Out here in the woods, Riverbend Park. It's a really big park. I'm just doing a quarter. I probably have to come back again and do some more videos in this park. So let's go. Let's see. They have a little, oh, they got some steps you could walk down if you want to go on the other side. Let's try to see what the other side have. See the little steps here? Okay, see, walking on the steps. Let's see what's over this side. I don't want to go too far because I don't know much about the park, but we're going to venture a little. If you want to like do a camping, a trail out here, walk. Yeah, they have a trail walk. They have a sign over there. I gotta remember my way back. So I'm gonna use this as a landmark. See, it's a trail. So let's walk this way. Oh, they have a nature center. Where is nature center? You see this right here? You say nature center. I'm gonna have to come back and do something on that one. Yes. Let's see what's over this side. Let's go. Come along with me. So we have beautiful sky today, and the temperature is it's in the 60s. It's not too bad. Should be up in the 70s, I think, the weather people said. Mr. A is not with me today. He's hanging with Mommy. But maybe later we'll do something. Oh, it's so cool underneath here, guys. Oh my goodness. So cool and so peaceful. Very peaceful. It's a nice trail to walk. Wow. See the big tall trees. It is so peaceful. So I'm putting in my walking even though it's midday. I hope you guys are coming out doing your walk. Getting ready for the holidays so you don't feel guilt. Put in a little salad in between your daily meal. Do we have a little water in this one? So you don't feel guilty. See, they have the ditch down there. So it's a big park, you guys, a real big park. And the trail is far in. All right, guys, so I'm going to finish my walking. I'm going to close the video out. Stay blessed. Stay kind to one another. Pray up. As usual, you know who is in control. Not me, not you, but God Almighty. Don't forget to drink your water. Eat your greens and your fruits. Enjoy the moments of life because that's all we have is moments as we go through. Don't worry. Just enjoy. Just enjoy every day, every moment. All right. On this note, Lady J is going to tell you, stay blessed, stay prayed up. Love, love, love. and see you on the next video. Very quiet. Peace out.